Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete your ClearScore account. To delete your ClearScore account, first of all, go ahead and open up your web browser and sign in to clearscore.com. Once you're signed into your ClearScore account, go to the upper right hand corner and click on your profile icon. In the expanded menu on the right hand corner, click on My Account. Now once you end up in the My Accounts tab, go ahead and click on this Account and Security option. Under Account and Security, click on the Delete button right under Delete Account. Confirm your account deletion by toggling on this button over here and click on Delete Account. If you proceed to delete your account, you won't be able to log into your account and you'll also be erasing the data that you hold on ClearScore. After you make sure you want to delete your account, click on Delete Account button. If you change your mind and you want to come back again to ClearScore, you'll need to register for a new account once the deletion is completed. So that's how you easily delete your ClearScore account in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.